right, let's get to the breaking news coming in, viewers. We have accessed more details on the key NDA meet that is scheduled. As per sources, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took an indirect jibe at Rahul Gandhi after the Supreme Court pulled him up over his remarks on the Chinese alleged occupation of the Indian territory. The PM said Supreme Court has reprimanded the opposition leader for his arrogance. Remember, viewers, the Supreme Court had pulled up leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi for his remarks on the Indian army during his Bharat Jodo Yatra back in December 2022, and he had said that, the Chinese have occupied 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory, to which the top court has said that a true Indian will not say all of this. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's getting us more on this. Pragya, what more details do you have? The Prime Minister now hitting out indirectly at Rahul Gandhi on what the top court said on his remarks on the Indian army as well as China.
Absolutely, and Prime Minister, in fact, without naming Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has spoken about Supreme Court reprimanding Rahul Gandhi about a statement that he has been making about our army also vis-a-vis China. So Prime Minister, in fact, said that there are people, who have this such kind of arrogance and ego that they speak anything about anyone and without knowing the consequences. And such people have been reprimanded, recently by Supreme Court as well. So in a very indirect reference to Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister also take a dig at Rahul Gandhi by, mentioning this particular statement by Supreme Court. And in fact, the point is that Prime Minister was making that despite the fact that there are opposition leaders, LOP, they speak in a language that also demoralizes, the army and also the defense forces morale in a very important situation. Apart from that, Prime Minister also spoke about Operation Sindoor and about the narrative that was said by opposition. In fact, he said they made a self-goal.
So the Prime Minister, of course, making some crucial remarks, hitting out at the leader of opposition as well as lauding our forces as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned. Let me also go across to my colleague Amit Kumar, who's joining us for more on this scoop that Times Now has accessed as far as this meeting of the NDA is concerned. अमित, क्या कुछ डिटेल्स हैं? प्रधानमंत्री ने राहुल गांधी की तरफ एक निशाना साधा है, उन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में एक बार फिर से बात की है, क्या कुछ हुआ इस एनडीए मीट में?
सबसे बड़ी बात की ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की जब चर्चा उन्होंने की, जब शुरुआत की, तो उन्होंने कहा कि एक तरह से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की जो चर्चा की मांग करके ऑपोजिशन की फजीयत हुई है, उन्होंने एक तरह से अपने पैर पर कुल्हाड़ी मारने जैसी हुई है। उन्होंने इस बात का जिक्र किया कि वो तो चाहते हैं कि इस तरह के डिबेट रोज कराएं, क्योंकि ये वो फील्ड है जो कि उनका फील्ड है और भगवान भी इस फील्ड में उनके साथ है, इस ट्रैक पे में उनके साथ है। और इस तरह की विपक्ष अगर मांग करता है तो उनको इस बात का एहसास हुआ ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में चर्चा के दौरान कि ये उनकी गलती थी। इसके अलावा राहुल गांधी को लेकर जो ऑब्जर्वेशन, जैसे प्रज्ञा ने भी बताया कि उन्होंने इस बात का हालांकि नाम नहीं लिया, उन्होंने ये कहा कि वो एक तरह से आ बैल मुझे मार्ग वाली स्थिति थी। जब कोर्ट ने ये कह दिया तो अब हमें कहने की क्या जरूरत है, लेकिन जो कोर्ट ने कहा वो पूरी तस्वीर साफ करती है। एक तरह से उन्होंने राहुल पर कटाक्ष किया कि राहुल ने इस तरह के बयान देकर खुद अपने को कटघरे में खड़ा कर दिया है। और इसके अलावा उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि अब जबकि सेशन जो चल रहा है, इसके अलावा जो पार्टी के जो काम है, जैसे कि तिरंगा यात्रा होने वाला है, इसके अलावा स्पोर्ट्स जो दिवस मनाया जाएगा 29 अगस्त को, उन दौरान अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में लोग जाएं, अपने लोगों के बीच में रहें, वहां पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम कराएं। और इस तरह की बातों को उन्होंने दोहराया है। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं अमित शाह की तारीफ भी की है कि गृह मंत्री जो है आडवाणी के जो सबसे लंबे समय तक गृह मंत्री के तौर पर काम करने का जो समय था उसको भी पार कर गए हैं।
जी अमित, धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, एंड प्रज्ञा टू यू एज वेल. Thanks very much to both of you for joining us with the details. Let's also get in this breaking update, viewers, that's coming in at the moment. The Congress MP and Rahul Gandhi's sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has now rushed to his defense a day after the Supreme Court of India had schooled him over his remarks on Galwan. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said, and I quote, "They do not decide who a true Indian is. It is the job of the opposition leader. It is his duty to ask questions, to challenge the government. My brother would never say anything against the army," unquote. That is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Congress leader, coming in defense of her brother over the kind of stern remarks that the Supreme Court had made against his remarks. Listen into what she has said. All right, we'll try and play that for you, ladies and gentlemen, but that's the big update coming in as far as the Congress party is concerned. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra now weighing in on what the top court of the country had said to Rahul Gandhi yesterday. She said, "My brother will never say anything against the army and that he has complete right to challenge the government." Listen in.
They do not do, I do it through Indian Air. And it is the job of the opposition leader, it is his duty to ask questions to challenge the government. And my brother would never say anything against the army. He holds the army in the highest respect. So it is a misinterpretation. They do not do, I do it through Indian Air. And it is the job of the opposition leader, it is his duty to ask questions to challenge the government. And my brother would never say anything against the army. He holds the army in the highest respect. So it is a misinterpretation.
So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra saying that it has been a misinterpretation on part of the top court of the country to think that Rahul Gandhi spoke against the Indian army, also saying that it is the job of the opposition leader to question the government. This, remember, comes a day after the Supreme Court of India had given out stern remarks on what Rahul Gandhi said during his Bharat Jodo Yatra back in 2022. He posted it on social media as well. He had claimed that the Chinese have occupied 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory, to which the Supreme Court had said, "On what basis have you made this claim?" That response never came from Rahul Gandhi's legal team in the court. But remember, this, tussle has been going on. The top court has also said that no Indian would ever make such a statement at a time when the country is going through border issues with another country. You do not come out and question your own government, also saying that your claims have no substantial evidence. Do you have credible proof as to what you're saying about the 2,000 square kilometers of Indian land which was allegedly occupied by China? But Priyanka Gandhi Vadra now saying that this has been a misinterpretation, and how this, isn't something that Rahul Gandhi